copy, read the radio. That's 41 Sugar Papa 001. Tired old man Tom in New Zealand. Listening to your signal across the other side of the pond in Wellington, New Zealand. Go ahead.
Yeah, good day there, Tom. 41 Sugar Papa 001. 43 Razor 1. Really good to make the contact there, mate, over the ditch on just barefoot. And yeah, mate, how's this little SBE sounding out your way?
Sounding good here. You're about 5 and 6 to 7. 5 and 6 to 7, and I copy you loud and clear. No problems to copy. You're a little bit stronger before, but there's a bit of QSP, but no problems to copy, Ray. Go ahead.
Yeah, fantastic. You're about 4x7, 4x6 at the moment this way. Conditions dropped down a little bit from what they were before, but you're certainly nice and clear signal. If we can try lower sideband and just see how we go down on that one.
Okay, you want a QSY lower sideband with QSY.
Yeah, lower side. Meet you there. All right, Tom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, back to you there, Tom. Wonder how this one sounds there.
Yep, you copy loud and clear on lower sideband, no problem. So I think the conditions are dropping off a little bit, but I still copy you loud and clear. It appears to be on frequency and all good here, Ray, over.
Yeah, fantastic. Look, finally, if AM doesn't work, we'll come back here, but it'll be touch and go. Let's see how we go on AM just for a short spin.
Roger, QSY AM, we'll try AM.
Yeah, meet you there. All right, Tom, 41 Sugar Papa 001. Yeah, you copy 43 Razor 1?
Copy, Ray, over.
Yeah, Tom, you got a copy there on 43 Razor 1?
Yep, about 3 to 4, as I say, signals dropped off a little bit, but you should copy my AM carrier here. There's a bit coming out, and you should copy it. So go ahead.
Yeah, 4x7, 4x8, occasionally 4, 5x9. So yeah, strong signals this way. Fantastic. Thank you so much, Tom. That's all I was after.
Yeah, I think it's finished copy the 4x7. You're about 4x4, 5 and 4. We'll call it 5 and 4 here, but it's signals dropping a little bit, but no problems to copy on AM.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Tom. All right, I'll meet you back on upper sideband.
Okay, well, QSY upper sideband.
Yep, see you there. All right, Tom, thank you so much for doing that, mate. That's fantastic. I've got that all recorded here, and so I'm going to stop recording video right now. So thank you so much.
Yeah, no worries, mate. Well, I'll keep calling out for you here from time to time. I've just got to go out to a meeting tonight, and I haven't had tea yet, and it's, what is the time here? It's 6:43 p.m. in the evening. All right, sounding good to hear. It was good to try the old Washington base station out there. That was pretty cool.
Yeah, absolutely, mate. Yeah, no, it came across beautifully, mate. I could hear you very loud and clear just on that and running barefoot. So fantastic conditions today. I'm starting to get some bleed over from my next channel over here. Someone must be running some extra juice, I think. So I'm going to bid you 73s there, Tom, but thank you so much, and I hope you have a good rest of the evening there, mate.
Yeah, roger. All right, we'll catch you later. Better take a tail feather, get a move on here. I've done bugger all today. Catch you later. 73s, bye-bye for now. Razor Radio 1001, 41 Sugar Papa 001. Bye-bye for now.
Yeah, 73s there, Tom. 73s there, mate.